It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another episode of TshirtChick TV. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And if you want to see what I'm going to be unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, T-shirtpreneurs, big timers, old timers, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome, first timer. Last week I made an order, and actually it's been kind of sitting there for a little bit because I've been a little bit busy trying to knock out all these orders I've been getting, and I thank God for them. But today I actually have a little bit of time while I'm actually doing some embroidery to do this unboxing of an item for embroidery. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. But first, before I do that, this item that I purchased was actually on sale. I didn't even know it was going to be on sale. I was actually supposed to purchase it the week before last, but I had so much going on that I forgot. But I just happened to log on last week. I don't know if the sale is still going on, but y'all may want to check it out if y'all are into embroidery and y'all have multi-needle embroidery machines. And if you want to get free shipping and handling, use my girl Shay Shay's code. But you have to call the number, and you have to tell them that you want to use code Kraus Creations, and you can get free shipping on your order. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this thing so I can let you guys see what I got. All right, so right here you can see that I got the box right here from Mighty Hoops, and right here you can see this is my folding bag that I also got that from Mighty Hoops or Midwest Products a while back. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my blade, go ahead, open it up, and let you, if I can, see what's inside this box. All right, so right here, as you guys see, it is a hooping station right here. And those of y'all that's been watching my videos, y'all probably saying, wait a minute, don't she already got a hooping station? This one is actually for the kids sizes. Like this one goes down to, the smallest size is about 4T that you can actually hoop with this. So it is actually already set up. All I have to do is kind of tilt it. Everything is set up, so all I have to do is unscrew these bolts right here, I believe. Actually, you don't unscrew those. I think you unscrew the inside. All right, I'm trying to see what I need to do to, I forgot how the other one worked. I don't even remember. Okay. All right, yeah, so basically I would have to unscrew both of these because I want it to be tilted just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew both of these bolts on here. And we're gonna tilt it. I'm gonna make sure it's tilted the way that I need it. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty good. Tilted in the highest. Okay, I think that's the highest position. Yeah, that's gonna be the highest position right here. Yeah, right here is going to be the highest position. So let me adjust both of these so that they are the same. And I'm sorry, y'all can't really see it. It's really just lining that screw hole up right there. Let me see. All right, that should be it right there. And we're going to flip it over like this. And we're going to stick the red one back through on the inside. And then we're going to put this one on the outside. All right, and we're going to turn to the side right here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the red through on the inside. If we can. Let me see, that one needs to go up a little bit. And then we just screw this on the outside. And that's what it's looking like right here. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and check out both of the hooping stations and just let you kind of compare them just to see if you need them. And one of the reasons that I got this, a while back I did a video. I'm gonna leave that video right up here because I had a little issue in that video trying to line up the kid size shirt in order to get the pocket logo in the correct position. I ended up kind of winging it a little bit, and one of them was not perfectly placed. So y'all can check that video out if y'all kind of want to see why I ended up getting this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this one back into the room with my other embroidery equipment and let you guys kind of compare both of them. All right, so this is my whole little area right here, kind of my hooping area, and I'm gonna rearrange it a little bit. I don't necessarily want both of these hooping stations beside each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one over to the center right here, and I'm gonna put this one right there. Okay, and I may end up having to move some of these other items so that I have a little bit of space. Let me see, I could probably move this over. And that gives me a little bit more space. I actually can move it on over here. Move it up. Let me just put it up here. Yeah, and that does give me a little bit more space. And I can put this right here. All right. That's how we're gonna go with it for right now. We're gonna rock with it like that. So now I don't have to like move stuff around. I can take this right here, and if I'm doing a small shirt, I can actually, let me see, I can actually, can I? You know what? Hoopmaster is some slick people. Hoopmaster is some slick people. So they made sure that these don't work so that you can stick them in here. Like I can use it for the side right here. I can use it for the side to do a pocket logo, but they definitely made sure that you cannot use it to do it in the center right here, which I can always use this one if I'm having to hoop like a small shirt in the center, or they do make another piece that you can purchase that goes on here. And the thing is, Hoopmaster, they're going to get their money. They're going to get their money. The little attachment that, you know, you can attach it to the bottom and the top, and you can put like bigger hoops. Like say you wanted to put a hoop this size on here, because that hoop won't fit on here. Then you have to buy another part. And the one that fits on here will not fit on this one. So, yeah, and they made sure that you can't put this on here. And let me make sure maybe you can. Let me see. But yeah, it looked like they made sure that you can't put this on like this. I mean, it's on here a little bit, but it's not on here, you know, good. It'll probably fall off if you bump it or something. But they make sure that you can't use this to hoop the center of something. They make sure that you can only use it for that, so they can get their money. So if you need to, you know, be able to hoop in the center, they're gonna make you buy the other piece. All right, so this right here, this is what I use to like hoop sleeves and stuff like that with. So that's in a good place right there. And this one over here, I use it for left and right chest logos, for the bigger ones and for the small ones. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna move it out of the way. And I'm gonna let y'all kind of see the comparison in size. I'm gonna just go ahead and move this guy out of the way. And I'll move this to the center. And as you see, like, I'm gonna just flip this over so y'all can see. This is how big it is. They are about the same height. They are about the same height, but this one is probably a good 4 inches wider. Let me see. 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches on both sides. So it's about 3 inches wider than this one. So when you got like the little kids sizes, this one right here is going to work better for the little kid sizes, because the other one, when I had that little kid's polo, it would not fit on here. But this, like I was saying earlier, it fits all the way down to a size 4T. This one fits down to a 4T. I'm gonna show y'all my other hooping station right here. Let me move some of this out of the way. Like with this hooping station right here, if I had a smaller toddler size, it would work with that. And I'm sorry, all of my hoops are in use right now, but if I had one of my mighty hoops right now, the smaller one, it would fit right here. So I could just slide a toddler size item on here if I needed to just hoop it in the center. Hopefully that kind of helped y'all out, those of y'all that were interested in any of these hooping stations that I have. And I do have videos on all of these hooping stations. And I might have to do a separate video on this right here, you guys, but I do have a link below this video right here and below all of my videos for you to sign up for Square, which is the company that I use for all of my credit card processing. And I actually use their whole system here at my store. I have the Square register so that they keep up with all my finances and stuff. And all I have to do is when it's time to pay my taxes, go on there. They got everything for me. I can print it out or whatever I need. But if you use my link below, you can get $1,000 free transactions. Now, I have had a bunch of people to sign up under me for that $1,000 free transaction. And I actually have right now $19,000 worth of free transactions, but they have not been activated because in order for both of us to get the money, in order for both of us to get the credits of free transactions, you do have to use your card. You do have to accept a credit card. You can accept your own credit card. You can charge yourself $1 and both of us will be credited that $1,000. So right now I got $19,000 and it was crazy when I went on there. But in order for both of us to get the $1,000 worth of credits, you have to accept a payment from a bank card. So you can even take your own card and just charge $1 and scan the card and we'll both get the credits. But not that everybody needs to do it all at once. If you have done that and you're wondering why you haven't got your $1,000 credit, I haven't got mine either because you haven't took your first payment. So you have to take a payment and we both get it. And I appreciate that. And if y'all, anybody who have signed up, you can even get them to sign up under you and you can continue doing it. But right now I got $19,000 I can't touch until some of y'all go ahead and accept the credit card payment from your first customer, even if that first customer is yourself doing a test payment. And also, if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use here for my business, you can check below this video. I always leave links for you guys. And hopefully this video kind of helped those of y'all out that may be interested in some of these items that I'm showcasing. I do have full videos on these items. I'll try to leave a playlist for that, of those videos right up here for you guys. And if you liked the video or found it helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you in another episode of TshirtChick TV. But until then, be blessed.